I've been working on sexual harassment cases since my career began in 1995. Sexual harassment takes a number of different forms. It can be either offensive touching, propositions made to you at work by a co-employee or a supervisor. It can be what is called quid pro quo, when you are propositioned by a supervisor and you reject the advances and you are retaliated against or punished for having done so. That's one form of sexual harassment. Another form of sexual harassment is the creation of a hostile work environment, and that's when there is verbal abuse or verbal conduct and behavior happening at the workplace that creates an environment that changes your workplace and makes it difficult for you to continue working there. If you're sexually harassed at work, the first thing you should do is make a record of it at home, not on the work computer, and contact an attorney. It's very important to take action after you have been sexually harassed. In some cases, it's very important for you to report it to HR, but before you do that, you should seek the advice of an attorney. You should call us, and we can help you draft the communication you will have with the HR department. When there's sexual harassment in the workplace, the person who is doing the sexual harassment can be held liable, as well as that person's employer. In some cases where the harasser is a supervisor, the employer is automatically liable. You have to understand that sometimes making an accusation in the workplace or bringing an action or bringing a lawsuit, especially if you're still working in the workplace, is going to be difficult. And that's why you need an attorney to help you to get through that process. Proving a sexual harassment case is frequently a very difficult process, and that's why you need an effective and aggressive lawyer to help you do that, because in most cases you need to start developing the evidence that you're going to use to prove your case from the very beginning. So it's important to contact an attorney as soon as you believe that you've been sexually harassed. You should hire us as your sexual harassment attorney because we have a lot of experience in these cases. We work very effectively, myself and my partner Fred, in handling and litigating these cases. We are aggressive. We push our case forward. We're not afraid to sue big companies. We're not afraid of going against aggressive lawyers on the other side. We have very good communication with our clients. We usually respond to them the same day we get a phone call or an email. From the beginning of the case through to the end, we are in contact with them. Throughout my career, I've handled numerous sexual harassment cases. I've been successful in most of the cases that I've handled. I know the issues. I know how to litigate the cases. I know how to win the cases.